Anong pangalan mo?
My name po is AG Maylin Erapista po.
At bakit ka sumali sa The Voice Teens?
Dahil po kasi kumakanta rin po ang aking mom ko dati sa singing contest. At pangarap niyo po to, napangarap ko na rin po. So, kakanta po kami ngayon ng mom ko to show you na.
Andito siya? Ay, please.
Ito po, mami.
Anong name ng mami mo?
Alona Rapista po.
Mami Alona.
Apo.
Hello po, Mami Alona. Oh my gosh, you must be so proud.
Let's hear this. What a treat. Same smile. Oh my God. It's like look in the mirror. Welcome to my team, Alona.
Sige, go na, Mami Alona.
Can I be the mom? Can I be
Marty.
Marty? There's no, mom version? The voice mom? No? I love your voice.
Okay, tapos na siya. Dalawa na lang kami.
No. Not only do I love your voice, kailangan na kailangan ka sa team, sa Mar team. Wala kaming ganun. You do it effortlessly. Mom, did you teach her? Ikaw nagturo sa kanya?
Yes po.
Ikaw rin ginagawa.
Steady na po yun habang lumalaki po siya.
At yung mga music influences niya, yung mga songs na, mga singers na idols niya, sino sila?
Sino yung mga favorite singer mo?
Parang mga idols mo, yung mga idols niya. No? Sino mga idols mo, Mami?
Nung teenager po ako, kinakanta ko po yung Martin Rivera. My favorite song po is Ikaw ang lahat sa akin.
That's not in the script, just so you know. Thank you. Thank you for that. But I really would love for you to be on my team. Really. Yun lang, ang galing mo.
Thank you po.
First few lines pa lang, alam ko na naiikot ako eh. Inaantay ko lang kung saan mo pa dadalhin yung kanta. Sa age mo, hindi lahat ng kaedad mo, even singers who are much older than you, hindi lahat marunong mag-alaga lang ng low notes. May ability ka na kaya mong pumili kung saan mo ilalagay yung mga runs mo, ganyan. Pag ako yung pinili mong coach, hahanap pa tayo ng mga ganitong kanta kung saan magsashine ka pa. But the thing is, sometimes, even when you're that good, if you don't find the right song for you, hindi mo mapapakita yung mga kakayanan mo in the best way possible. So that will be who I am to you. I hope that you be part of my team. Thank you so much.
Yun na. Yung nagusto, kaya umikot ako, is nagusto ko song choice, one. And medyo challenging to eh. A bit of a challenge. At some points, nahirapan ka eh, for me, no? Na may nadatapa na notes, or sometimes it could be a lot cleaner, yung delivery, right? So, yun ang narinig ko. Pero nung tumaas yung kanta, when the song started to fly, no, yung choruses na, ang ganda ng vocal quality mo, malamig. That's what, yun ang pakiramdaman. Pag batas na yung boses mo, hindi pilit, masarap sa tenga lang. So it's an ability as a singer na parang kaya mo dalhin kami somewhere else. So I wish you could be a part, both of you could be a part of Camp Kawayan. Kung saan na lang. Okay? Thank you. So, Mommy, Mom, I'm looking at you, Mom. Alam ko, sabi mo si Coach Martin ang pinapakinggan mo dati nung teenager ka.
High school pa lang daw siya kinakanta niya, Coach
pero,
Martin kinakanta.
Yung time na teenager pa ako, yun. Pero I'm sure that sa galing mo, kaya mong gawin kahit anong itatapon sa'yo. Katulad to, there's another singer I know na kayang-kayang gawin ang ginagawa mo. Nyo. So let's try and put it to the test, just to show you how well I can teach you.
Dalang bala. May weapon.
We have another singer who can do exactly those same runs, who happens to be in the studio, and a former The Voice teen contestant, Fana, everyone. Come on in, Fana.
Hello.